Hello viewers, in this module we are going to learn about the key features on elements of reinforcement learning. First let us see about the key features of reinforcement learning. The environment details are not instructed to the agent. Actually the action follows hit and trial process. The states can be changed according to the feedback of the previous action. Delayed reward also taken by the agent. It needs to explore the stochastic environment to reach the maximum reward. For example, reinforcement learning can be best explained through games. In Pac-Man game, the goal of agent is to eat the food in the grid while avoiding the ghost on its way. In this case, the grid world is the interactive environment for the agent where it acts. The agent receives a reward for eating food and punishment if it gets killed by the ghost. The states are the location of the agent in the grid world, and the total cumulative reward is the agent winning the game. Another popular example is AWS Deep Racer. It is an autonomous racing car that has been designed to test out reinforcement learning in a physical track. It uses cameras to visualize the runway and a reinforcement learning model to control the throttle and direction. Now let us see the elements of reinforcement learning. Agent, policy, reward, state, value function, environment. These are the elements of reinforcement learning. First let us see policy. Policy is a strategy which applies by the agent to decide the next action based on the current state. It defines the agent's behavior at a given time. A mapping from states of actions. It is lookup tables or simple functions. The agents are intelligent programs. It is an assumed entity which performs action in an environment to gain some reward. So an immediate return given to an agent when it performs specific action or task is a reward. State refers to the current situation returned by the environment. For example, on which direction the agent moves. Based on that, it will get reward or it will get punishment. The next important one is value function. It specifies the value of a state, that is the total amount of reward. It is an agent which should be expected beginning from the state. Environment is an external condition. The scenario that an agent has to face is an environment. The next topic we are going to say is types of reinforcement learning. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.